Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to manage your orders, track customer details, and see how the post-purchase experience works for both you and your hungry customers. Immediately after a customer hits Place Order button, they are redirected to this clean, professional thank you page. It shows their order number, date, total, and most importantly showing the order details and their chosen service type with the preferred time. Now go to the orders page. Let's look at the screen. YeeMenu transforms the standard WooCommerce order list into a high visibility dashboard. Notice these colorful badges. You can instantly identify dine and takeaway orders. Look at the time slot column. It even has a green now badge for instant orders, so your staff can prioritize what's urgent. When you click into an order, everything is organized. YeeMenu neatly lists the menu options like size medium or extra sauce right under the product name. No more confusion for the kitchen staff. And below that, you can see the tip, order total, and menu service type clearly. On the right, you can see the customer history. This shows you if this is the first-time guest or a loyal regular. You also have the order notes timeline to track every status change in a real time. Let's switch to the Chef dashboard interface. Here is the game changer for your kitchen. Instead of clicking into every single order, your kitchen staff can use this high-speed interface to see exactly what needs to be cooked. Our orders for today are automatically filtered and sorted by a live countdown timer, telling you exactly if an order needs dine in 2 hours or is ready to take away now. Once the meal is ready, just click the Serve button. This completes the orders, notifies the customer immediately, and hides it from the dashboard to keep the kitchen focused on the next task. No clutter, no confusion. To keep your customer in the loop, all notifications are managed through standard WooCommerce email settings. When the status changes or the chef hits serve, an automated email is sent so the customer knows their food is on the way. Open your inbox and check your email from the restaurant to see if your order is ready to be served. And that's what happened after the orders are rolling. Thanks for watching, and I wish you huge success with your online restaurant.